Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sync your setting preferences across all Windows 11 devices on your computer, across your network. So any devices you have connected to your Microsoft account, these preferences would be able to be accessed from. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select accounts on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select Windows Backup. And then where it says remember my preferences, and then where it says get quick access to your preferences across Microsoft products, you can toggle this to the on position, assuming you're using a Microsoft account to sign into Windows 11. And then you can adjust different syncing options. You can adjust different preferences you want to allow to be synced, such as accessibility, passwords, language preferences, and then other Windows settings. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.